What's up guys, welcome to another Power BI tutorial. This is Ashish from alibrary.in, and in this tutorial you'll learn something really exciting, and I'm sure by the end of this video you'll have a big smile on your face. So getting started with that, today we'll learn how to make a video out of it. So we'll make a couple of scenes out of the map which we made previously. So I hope you remember from the previous tutorial that this was a map we created. So let's get started on how to make scenes first. So suppose let's start with Africa. So this is Africa. So as you can see from this legend, this blue color represents Africa. So I'll just zoom out a bit and see. Okay, you can zoom in a bit. So this will be our first scene where we capture only Africa. Okay, so now click over here where it says add scene. Click on that. Now we'll show let me say, yep, we'll see Asia. So I know the blue circles are very big, but it's okay for the sake of this tutorial because you can make out that I'm just taking out only Asian countries. After that, if you want, you can edit it. So I'll just zoom out a bit. Yeah, I think this pretty much covers all of Asia. So this becomes our second scene. Now to add another scene, click on this again. So now we'll take Europe. So yellow ones are Europe, so I think I can zoom in a bit more, and yeah, I think this is pretty much for Europe. So this was another scene. Now I'll make another scene, and this time I'll make North America, which is in green. Okay, now I'll zoom out for a while. So oops. So there you go, this is North America, and one zoom should do it. Okay. I think I'll do this one a bit so that everything looks good. Yeah. So you can adjust it as per your requirement. For now I just need it to be something like this. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. So okay, I'll make this as another scene. Okay, you can do it perfectly when you're doing your work. So this is just to tell you how to do it. So now I think I'll just keep it for this much so that we can save some time. And now let's see how to give different effects from one scene to another scene. Okay, so when you want to move from one scene to another scene, so there's one way you can do it. Over here you can click on change scene option. When you click on it, you get this pane, so you'll give it a scene name. So our first scene was Africa, so I'll just give it as Africa. And effects, the transition duration or the scene duration depends on you. I've seen people where they just see how much time it will take for them to explain this particular scene, and then based on that they give time. So you can choose as you need. So there are a lot of different options you can choose. Flyover is one of my favorite. So distance and speed, again, you can check it out. So for now, let's give names to each of the scenes. So this scene was Asia, and then this scene was Europe. As I'm giving the name, you can see that all these names are coming over here. And North America. and then okay, I think, what was this for? I think I might have clicked it mistakenly. So we'll just have 4 scenes for now. So you can see the name: Africa, Asia, Europe, and North America. So now let's give some effects from one scene to another scene. So from first scene, I wanted to fly over, and then to Asia, I wanted to, I think I'll keep circle. So let's see how it does. So let's play the tour. So there we see first, I hope you can see full, and then it flies over to Asia and it'll circle. So yep, that's pretty much. So by default it'll give it, it'll just show you all the scenes. I hope you can see it properly, because my screen recorder has been cut short. So yeah, let's go back and give some more effects. You can hit escape to come out of that view. So Asia we did. Now from Asia to Europe, how do you want it to go? Okay, we'll put Dolly. That is another one good option. And then to North America, we'll give pushing. Okay, so that it goes deep in and shows. Okay, so let's play our video and see. So there you go. This is Africa. So based on how much time you take to explain something, you can adjust the time. Then it moves over to Asia, it circles. And then you move over to Europe. You can keep this legend over here, you can move around it later. You can edit it. And then North America, where you push in, you slowly start to go in. It looks pretty good to me. And hit escape to come out of it. So this was the scene, and you can move the legend wherever you want. So I'll show you one more thing. Like for North America, I'll place the legend over here. Okay. Now when I play it, only for this scene the legend comes over here. Okay. And I'll show you a few more things later. So that was